Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Haylou GT1 Pro wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to factory settings on them. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If these earbuds will not connect to your device or they will not pair or sync with Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, or any kind of connectivity or functionality issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Also, if you just want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can start fresh with these headphones, that's another reason you might want to do this. It's quite simple to do. All you need to do is take the earbuds out of the case and then make sure that you turn them off. And once you turn them off, you're going to come in and press and hold on the back of both earbuds simultaneously for about 15 seconds. After about 15 seconds, you'll see that the earbuds will flash alternately red and white, at which point they are reset. You can put them back in the case, close the case, open it up again, take the earbuds out, and pair them with the device as a new set of earbuds.